Well, hello there, and season's greetings from TA in Wascoli, Little Oregon. We got me and the pup here, Little Max. Actually, I don't know, I think we might be renaming him Little Bear. Maybe we'll name him Little Bear, and you'll see why here in a minute. Yes, indeed. Just me and Little Max hanging out in the snow, and he's having the time of his life here, out here in the snow. Huh? Aren't you? Let's see. Let's go ahead and flip you around here. All right, here we go. Here he goes. Little Bear. Shit. Well, I almost kind of botched that, but we're back. So here we go. He's just, yeah, like I said, having the time of his life out here in this snow. He thinks it's the best thing ever. Come on, bud. Come on. Yes, puppy videos now, I guess. Well, puppy videos while the fact that we're not driving. Where'd you go? He has a thing for getting under my feet. Means he's still a pup. But look at him. Doesn't he look like a little bear? He looks like a little bear with that bobtail. From certain angles he does. He just looks like a little bear. Or like a little cub bear. I'm telling you, he does. He's freaking just loving it. He's loving the snow so much. It's pretty adorable, actually. Oh, bud. Yep. Quit chasing me. Go play in the snow. There we go. Yep, Little Bear. So, let's see, where did I leave off? I think I left off where I pulled into the fuel island there. With a couple of carefully selected words, I think, to my GPS unit. And whatever, got the truck fueled up. And, well, I went inside, and the aroma of buffalo wings just overwhelmed me. So I ended up buying a couple of chicken kebabs and order of 10 buffalo wings. Pretty damn good too, both of them. The chicken kebabs were like in this like Brazilian candied sauce stuff, and almost like too sweet. They were like sweet and spicy. It was really good though. And then oh, here we go. Nope. There. Yep. Nobody. Nope. Nobody peeking. We don't want anybody peeking. He needs a private moment. Good job, bud. Way to go. Well done. Uh-oh. I hope that that transition to dog food isn't taking effect here. But yeah, so got myself some food, and got some loaded up on some sodas and some water, and went ahead and backed into a spot and sat and thought while I ate my food whether or not it was really worth getting back on the road. You know, basically I got the chains on the truck, I'll show you in a minute, and I kind of didn't want to, you know, I wanted to take them off so I could actually get some speed going, but I didn't want to take them off only to find out that, you know, in 50 miles or 20 miles I'd have to put them back on again. And I know for sure I didn't want to get stuck in that same position I was stuck in earlier, where I got stuck on that incline that I couldn't get up and had to put them on in the middle of the traffic, holding everybody up while I was jackknifed. So anyhow, I got a hold of the boss and let him know kind of the situation. And he's like, oh yeah, dude, just go ahead and just chill out where you are, you know, like I had mentioned earlier, you know, and he reaffirmed, he's like, you know, this load doesn't need to be, it actually can't be delivered early. So I only have 120 miles to go to get where I'm going. And I can't make my delivery until they don't accept deliveries until 11 p.m. tomorrow. So what the hell, we'll just hang out here, I figure. I mean, probably about 70% of me, 75% of me wants to just continue going. I mean, here we are a good few hours later. It's actually 9 or 10 o'clock now, and I really just kind of really wanted to keep going, but I didn't want to find myself in another shitty position. So we'll just go ahead and camp out here tonight, and then hit the road tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be sunny and the roads will be de-iced properly, and then we'll go ahead and continue on into Portland, or maybe all the way over into Woodburn, and hopefully maybe find, you know, another nice rest area or truck stop or something and hang out there. I just kind of would really like to get as close as possible to my delivery site as I can, of course. Try to keep things moving. Yep, he's just having a good old freaking time out here. He loves this shit. He really does. Look at that little bear. Hey, little bear. Well, he pooped and he peed, so we're good to go. Last couple times I brought him out here, and we hung out here for a good like 10 or 15 minutes, kind of walking back and forth. You can see all our tracks going up and down through here. And by the time I was ready to pick him up and go get back in the truck, he's actually shivering. That's pretty funny. But he's like, he's actually playing in the snow, man. It's great. What's that? What is it? Oh yeah? I don't know. He's getting to a point, to a maturity and a stubbornness already, in which I think a collar and a leash is going to have to come into play kind of soon. I mean, I hate to have to do it, but it's going to get to that point, because he's going to be a fast dog. These healers are, just by nature, they are quick, speedy, fast, and stubborn. Although quite intelligent, they are very stubborn. And he is not gender neutral. He still has his gender. Like his genders haven't been cut out. And I don't have any intention of getting rid of his gender and making him gender neutral. I just don't plan on doing that with him. So yeah, he's just freaking loving it out here. Come here, Max. Let's go get you back in the truck, huh? What do you think? Let's see if he'll let me get him. All right, well, I dang near lost you again, so say hi again. Here we go. He's all shivering. He's totally shivering. Either from the cold or just me being nervous. I think it's from the cold. Here we go. Yep. I got both drives buckled up still. I'm just like not even trying to take them off yet. I want to make damn sure I'm not going to need them before I take them off. And I got them on this side, of course, on that side also. The tandems, I don't have them on. But what I ended up doing was going ahead and sliding my tandems back even further towards the rear of the trailer, which it's still legal in Oregon. You know, you can have them set anywhere. You can have them set forward or rear. In this case, I put them towards the rear just to put more weight on my drives. So in any event, we'll be good to go. None of these other trucks have chains on. I'm the only guy out here with chains on, but little do they know that I was stuck on the frickin' incline earlier. Oh, here we go. Let's go ahead and get back in here, bud. Here he goes. Off to the races. Okay, watch out. Watch out, little bear. Yep, it's safe to say this guy, he digs the snow. He just really does. Just like a little kid. You get them in the snow and they're just like, go batty. Right. And as you can see, the truck is definitely, it's like a war zone in here. It's pretty funny. I love it. Yep. Hey there, bud. Say hi to YouTube. Wow. Look at how big you can jump. Look how high you can jump. Wow. That was a big one. Yep. Good boy. Good boy. A little bit of a biter. A little bit of a biter still. Huh. Yep, and hey, chill. My slippers are part of the war zone. They're part of the damage, the collateral damage in here. The old chicken, the fox, the truck tire, and the biter as well. Hey, what are you doing? What are you all worked up about? Huh? He's like, I liked it out there in the snow. This isn't typical. He doesn't ever actually do it like this. He's just hyper right now. He's like, he must know he's on camera. He's showing off. Yeah, bud. Yeah, bud. It's funny, his eyes look black right there, or brown, but they are not. They're like greenish gray. It's a trip. Yeah. They're totally, yeah, they're like a greenish gray. They're all dilated right now, of course, because it's dark in here, but well, they're not brown. Which is interesting, because online it talks about how the healers typically have brown eyes. This guy doesn't. Or unless they're going to change, I mean, maybe they'll change color, I don't know. They looked blue at first when I first got them, and then they started looking more gray. Now they're kind of almost a green gray. Hazel, maybe. I don't know. Oh, bud. You know, this whole biting the hand thing, here we go. I'm going to teach you. Yep. I'm going to teach you. Yep, the war zone. For sure. What a mess. Get your chicken. There you go. No, he's like, no, I like your hand. Anyhow, I guess that's enough for the puppy video. Yep, that's enough for the puppy video. I hope you all are doing well. Merry Christmas once again. We're gonna hit the rack here shortly. It is 10:05 p.m. so we're gonna go ahead and get some sleep and wake up. I don't know necessarily about early, but we'll be waking up. Yeah, we'll probably be up early. Actually, we'll probably be up early, but we probably won't get out of here until maybe 9 or 10. So, anyhow, once again, hope you all are doing well. See you down the road. Take care. Let's show you on what's going on here. It's just having it out with my slippers right now. Or my shoes now. Wow. He was just getting super aggressive with my sandals a minute ago. It was pretty funny. What are you doing, man? It's pretty funny. Hey, chill. What do you think you're doing? He's not trying to hump me. He's just grabbing hold though. Like, what are you thinking? Low. Hey, no. You need to knock that off. Give my freaking shoes, that's fine. That's pretty funny. There he goes. Man. He's just punishing my shoes. I should do a hyperlapse video of this or something. I don't think I could hold the camera that long though. See, now normally we're driving and he's just zonked out right there on the towel. That's normally what's going on, is he's just zonked out from, you know, while we're driving. Now we're not driving, we're just sitting still. He's just ain't got nothing to do. He's like, man, I gotta freaking I gotta kill something. Get your chicken, there you go. That's what it's for. There you go. What the hell? Wow, you are so vicious. You know that? You are so vicious. Wow. Yeah, and loud. Uh-huh. Wow. Uh-huh. Wow. Yep, that's amazing. All right. I keep saying no puppy videos, and then lo and behold, here I go. All right, gotta go. See ya.